Is your junk drawer just full of half disposable batteries? If so, you'll definitely want to check this out. So let's go over the Ostation 2 Pro battery charger. I'm gonna go over all the different features of this, then talk about who this is for, then go over a demo of this on how it actually works, sorts and charges, and talk about who this is for, all to help you make a better informed buying decision. So this is the Ostation 2 Pro. It is a smart AA and AAA battery charging station. It holds 24 cells, 12 AA and 12 AAA, and it's built around a 2.8-inch touchscreen with Wi-Fi app connectivity. And it works with any brand of AA and AAA NIMH rechargeables, plus Ostation's own 1.5V lithium-ion cells. This is more of an investment piece than a standing charger, and it's coming from Olight, so it's a position on the premium end of the category here. So let me show you what you actually get. Okay, so you get the unit itself, of course. It's lightweight, and you can easily just hold it in one hand, and it's not gonna slide around on your desk. It has nice sticky feet on the bottom, so it's just stayed put. You've got a USB-C cable on the back that it comes with, and it also comes with the included wall adapter here. And then with your purchase, you do get 3 sets of AA batteries and 3 sets of AAA batteries, and each have 4 in them. And these are 800 mAh 1.2V rechargeable batteries, the NIMH, and the AA 3150 1.5V rechargeable. Okay, so let's go over a little bit more about the unit itself. So we look on the top here first. So we have the drop slot for the AA and AAA batteries. Go ahead and just open that. And we can see that there's already some AAA batteries in here. So that's where you add the batteries when you need them recharged, and you just slot them on through here. And then on the front right here, we have our trays. So of course, first we have our touch screen, then we have the translucent reject tray, and you just press it on in, you can pull it on out. There's the tray. And this catches any battery that the system decides isn't safe to charge. So it's really nice that it has that safety feature built in. And then we have the AAA and AA trays as well. You just go ahead and pull these out, and that's where the batteries come out. Let's get a closer look at that. Once the batteries are finished charging, they come out here. Okay, so let's talk about some of the features here. So there is no plus-minus alignment required. You just drop the battery in any direction and the unit pulls it through a carousel that figures out polarity internally. So you don't have to slow down and line up every cell. You just drop them in, just walk away, and come back when they're done. Really simple, really easy. I'll show you a demo of that in a second here. And this is, the feature that immediately changes how you use a charger. You just go ahead and drop them in anyway. Really convenient. It's a small feature, but it does make a difference. And every battery is analyzed for safety before charging. So healthy AA cells drop into the AA storage drawer, healthy AAA cells drop into the AAA drawer, and anything unhealthy or incompatible kicks out into the redirect tray. So you just, you stop guessing which batteries are still good, and the unit tells you, sorts them physically, and keeps them ready to grab. Okay, and this has a 2.8-inch touchscreen plus a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi app with OTA firmware updates. So you see real-time charge percentage and charging duration for every battery, and you can do the same thing remotely from your phone. You can pause the charging, set a schedule, or just check progress. You don't have to stand there and wait, and because it's firmware upgradable, the feature set can actually improve after you buy it, which is really cool. And for Ostation's own cells, the screen also shows individual battery ID, charge cycle count, and a 0 to 100% health rating, which is the kind of feedback you usually only get from hobby-grade chargers. So go ahead and turn this on here. Touchscreen again, go ahead and slide it on. There we can see. So this is the main screen that shows you that it's pending, whether it's charging or not. So this will light up when it is charging. We go out to the main screen here, and we can see on the right-hand side here, there's where we can see the ones with a check mark and one with an X through them. We also have the date and time. And go back out here, go to the settings. So we have this connected to my phone. Go ahead and show you that in a second. We can also set a schedule. And then of course, this is where we can turn off the touchscreen. So we'll go back here. Okay, so we have a few batteries here that are charging, and they're almost done. They're at 99%, just wait for those to finish. Okay, so the batteries just dropped. See, there's 2 in here, and then there's 2 more. Just go and take these out. Just grab them on the side right here, nice and easy. So these are ready to go, 100% fully charged. If we look right here, we can see we're at 22 and 21% for the other 2 batteries. So only 2 batteries can be charged at the same time per AA and per AAA. Okay, another great feature about this is the charging current automatically adjusts based on each battery's temperature with 5-layer protection against overcharge, overcurrent, overheating, overvoltage, and short circuits. So each cell gets its own charging profile based on its actual condition, not a one-size-fits-all current. So batteries last longer, charge safer, and you don't have to babysit a charger full of mixed cells. And this works with Ostation's 2100 mAh and 3150 MWh 1.5V Li-ion AA cells. So it's verified through a secure handshake protocol. So you get a flat 1.5V output through the entire discharge instead of the slow voltage drop you get with NIMH, plus 1000 plus charge cycles. So for things like, blink cameras, smart locks, camera flashes, and game controllers, devices, sensitive to voltage drop, these perform a lot more like alkalines. Just keep in mind, this lithium support is locked to Ostation cells. Other branded lithium AA's won't work here. Okay, I'll do a demo of me putting in the AA batteries so you can see. Really simple. I'll just go ahead and put in 2 right here. And we can see on the screen here, it is loading. Now it's pulling in the batteries. Okay, and now we can see that the batteries are being checked and then loading. So it does take a little bit of time for them to load, about a minute or so. Okay, so the batteries were taken in and we can now see it's at 7% and 11%. And with these AA batteries, we do have the ID right next to the battery, which is really cool. So this is that simple to use. You just throw them on in. You don't have to worry about aligning them with the right polarity. Just throw them on in, they start charging, and they automatically dispense. And then going to the app, we can see that the app works really well also. You can see the battery life for each of them and the charging. And you can set up the schedule. You can also set up the wake sensor sensitivity as well. So there's just a few options here. And we can see how many batteries were charged during this on period. So those were the 2 AAA batteries that we charged. And those numbers right there, which we saw on the touchscreen as well, we can see that these have had 0 recharge. We can see that the top one right here is 0 with the little cycle symbol. That means that they have not been recharged yet and that they have 100% health. So you only get those stats with the AA batteries and not the AAA batteries. Okay, and then the charging time. So the Ostation 2 Pro, it charges 4 batteries, 2 AA to AAA, in about 2.5 hours from 0% when using the standard charging mode. So this smart charger uses thermal adaptive technology, as we mentioned, that adjusts charging speed based on battery temperature, so actual charge time may vary slightly just depending on the battery health and room temperature. Okay, so let's talk about the pros of this thing. So the polarity-free drop-in is the kind of feature you don't realize you needed until you have it. The visible health, cycle count, and 0 to 100% rating per cell, those metrics are genuinely helpful. It's nice that it has a Wi-Fi app plus OTA firmware updates, so this can actually get better over time. So one thing that could be improved, there's no refresh or discharge mode. If you have older NIMH cells that have been sitting around depleted, the unit may reject them as invalid, even though the hardware seems capable of reviving them. A future firmware update could potentially add that though. One important thing to note is these storage drawers, of course, fill up when they're done charging, and once they do, charging pauses for that size until you pull a few out. So who is this for? This is really for anyone running a household with a lot of battery-powered stuff. Kids' toys, remotes, game controllers, smart home devices, where you're constantly hunting for fresh AA's. Just drop everything in this station and you just forget about it. It's also really good for anyone running high drain or voltage sensitive devices. Blink cameras, smart locks, camera flashes, where that flat 1.5V output from the Ostation lithium cells is going to outperform standard NIMH. And if you're a photographer or anyone who burns through AA's constantly, this turns battery management into a set it and forget it system. So who this is not for. So if you're someone who just needs, to charge 4 batteries once in a while, this is overkill. Basic NIMH charger could do the job. If you're committed to lithium AA's from a specific other brand, these won't work here. So in my opinion, this is definitely a battery charger worth checking out, especially if you've been wanting to move your whole household off of disposables, but the logistics of charging, sorting, and storing have always been a pain. It's premium, the polarity-free design, the per cell health data, and the all-in-one solution. It's a legitimately different category of charger.